Welcome to Kids World Rhymes. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow. Z for zoo. Thank you.